This is Divers Lake, located at the center of Nanaimo, where Buddy and I go for our walks quite often. Beautiful. I do see fishermen today, or fishers. I think there's trout in this lake. My buddy's in the bushes. My buddy's in the bushes. There he is, my bubby. He loves it here. He usually doesn't explore this much into the wetlands, but today he is. It's fine. Here he comes. Here he comes. There's my buddy. There's my buddy. Guess he's not. Oh, he's going to have another poo. He's having a poo.